But seeing it in person that first time and loading the entire family into all 3 rows of the Bronco and then starting it up, I was like a 4-year-old on Christmas morning. There's a big smile on my face and a big smile on my children's face when we go out in this truck and around town. So I just want to thank them so much for everything they've done.
I mean, just look at it. It's an amazing vehicle. It's a 1975 Bronco that drives like a vehicle that came off the lot yesterday. From the tires to the frame to the engine to the back, it's all just meticulously installed.
I mean, these guys are state of the art. I mean, from start to finish. From the people that call about the design, walking you through the process, sending you the information on the spreadsheets, you know, from the interior package, from the motor package, the paint guys, the service people. I don't think I'd go anywhere else.
The process they use is tried and true with the way they build them, and once you talk to Seth, he's going to lead you in the right path to the build you want to do. So Seth's very knowledgeable and he knows a ton.
The communication with Seth and the team during the build process was really good. I got constant updates on what stage my Bronco was in. The people that worked there just seemed like they were real craftsmen and they were really into what they did. They took a lot of pride in what they did, and I just felt like I was going to get a really good product out of Gateway Bronco.
Wow, it drives like a sports car. It's crazy, but you're in a gorgeous classic Bronco.